Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing some brake hardware on my Nissan 300ZX. Something you should be doing, you know, whether you're replacing just pads or pads and rotors together. But you're supposed to switch out the hardware with it. Last time we did my front brakes, bunch of stuff happened. Had to end up putting a couple different sets of brakes on there. And we never got the hardware together because I didn't have some pins. So we put some wire and twisted it together to hold the pads in. So we're gonna fix that today. You'll see what I'm talking about once we get under here. But right now, you know, we got the car right here, got the jack ready to go. We're gonna put this underneath there and get it off of the ramps.
Don't trace, but when I step 1 foot in the room, I'ma set this pace. I feel like king of the hill when they're never gonna take my crown. That's the type of my sound. Better rise up when I shut this down. I feel like king of the hill when they're never gonna take my crown. That's the type of my sound. Better rise up when I shut this. My God.
Alright guys, so this is what the brake hardware looks like for my vehicle. You see the pins right here. There's some smaller little pins that fit into the end holes on these that actually secure the pads in. So right now mine's just secured in by like some wire that we twisted around there. So we want to get those switched out.
I feel like king of the hill when they're king of the hill. My God.
Alright guys, there's a look at one of the pins. Like you can just see the top of the head kind of like right in here. So they're in now. The old ones are out. Normally they actually had like a pin that would go like across this whole thing and hold them both in, but I guess they've updated the hardware kits since then. So I mean, that's really all there is to it. There's also another piece that's supposed to go on top of here, but these are actually Skyline calipers on my car instead of the 300ZX calipers, so I'm just not gonna put that on because it doesn't like work with these calipers. But so now I'm gonna get the wheels back on and like we're pretty much done.
It feels like murder, setting them alight when I lit that flame. Try pulling up side by side for the race, just realize that we're in a different lane. Yeah, see I'm out here killing the game. How can you claim that we're living the same? See in reality we ain't on a similar stage. You're sitting in a crib while I'm singing my name.
Alright guys, hardware's back on the car. If you guys liked our video, we really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe to our content. We're going to be having more videos coming. I'm going to put a rush on like Alex rap videos. We have one for the top of the vehicle as well as the bumper, so stay tuned for that. But we really appreciate you guys following along with our car builds, and stay tuned for the next stuff. And once again, if you like it, please subscribe.